And welcome back to another video. You are watching phoneZone.ua with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about none other than Nokia 225 out here. Yes, talking about Nokia 225 out here, we can say that Nokia has definitely tried something different with this variant. Yes, when we say different out there, then it definitely means not with just the internal factors, but with the external factors too. Talking about the external factors or the internal factors, talking about the structurality or talking about anything else out here, we can say that they have tried to create something which is a better version in keypad versions. If you look at the variant, then you will see that the screen size has definitely increased. Yes, screen size has increased out there, which as compared to other variants is definitely better out here. Whereas you also get to see that it has become more sleeky, more compact, more handy out there. Talking about this handiness, did it go well or not? We can say that it's an okay version out there. Why I say so? Because the variant is not lightweighted now as compared to the other variants. Comparing to other all the Nokia variants, the keypad versions, we can say it is slightly heavier, which is approximately 100 grams. Not very heavy, we would say, because we have seen variants which are heavier than this, but this kind of variant like keypad, small handy packed phones earlier used to be very light, and keeping comprising it has become a slightly heavier weighted phone. Talking about this variant, we can say it is mini sim out here with TFT screening and 256K colorization. This is definitely a wonderful feature out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant do offer something which is very exciting, that is the screen size. 2.8 in screen, which is really a recommendable thing out there. Yes, recommendable out because the entire size, the handiness is about 2.8 inches. This is really a wonderful feature. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you 1000 entries as well as offers you expandability, you can see, and the camera quality is definitely good because it offers you about 2 megapixel rear camera with no selfie camera. So this is okay out variant out there, because if it would have a selfie camera, it could be considered a much better variant out there with all the specifications inbuilt, or it has all the specifications which might include it everything, which are either we can say documentation, or we can say the voice memo, we can say it the stereotype speakers, FMs, 3.5 jack out there, MP3, MP4 player, voice, your audio recordings, everything is possible. Apart from this, it gives you 21 hours talk time along with 1200 mAh battery. Yes, 1200 mAh battery along with 21 hours talk time. So that's a wonderful feature. That's a wonderful thing out here. 21 hours talk time. Now talking about this variant, now talking about this kind of a version, we can say that these kind of variants definitely do offer something very exciting. Things which are definitely or two for the other variants, and we can see these kind of variants having a good quality out there. Talking about the good quality and these variants, these are available out in various colors out there and various colorizations. And now when we talk about these variants, it is available on a very amazing site, which is none other than this site, which is phoneZone.ae. Yes, you will get up to this site when you click on the description link, or you go on Google and type phoneZone.ae. Yes, this is the site name, phoneZone.ae. This site not only offers you Nokia variants or this specified variant, offers you n number of gadgets under the category of these brands. Yes, these are the brands out here. Now let us type this Nokia variant out here in the search icon so that we can know what kind of variant we are looking for. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out here, let us see Nokia 225 out here. So as we can see, the result is out, and when we see the results, this is the result out here, which has all the description out here. We have a description box out here. And apart from that, we get to see there is a condition written over here. The condition written is refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition. Let us compare it with the brand new. Let us know how they are different and how they are similar. So let us know about these terms, and then we can move ahead with the pricing and the site as well. Talking about refurbished product or a brand new product, or talking about something which are absolutely quite similar out there. So let me tell you, the refurbished products and the brand new products, they are not much similar, they are not much dissimilar. Why we say so? Because the brand new product goes through a phase which involves just the company, the main company, the original company out there which has manufactured it, or the base point. Then it comes to the agency or the marketplace out there, whosoever is the retailer. Then it goes to the users. Yes, this is the main process for brand new. Whereas when we talk about the refurbished product, it has been an addition to it. Yes, it is an addition to it. Like brand new ends at the user itself, whereas refurbished adds on from here, like company, marketplace, user. Then what happens? Then user wants to give it back or does not want to use it. So that has been pre-owned phone. It goes back to an agency, a marketplace, a place where it can be valued, it can be tested out there. Then it is given a certificate, it is tested out there, it's certified, it's published on the site, and then it is again given to the users who wants to have that phone, who wants to have that variant out there. So this is an addition. That's why we say that refurbished products are like new. These are newly liked products, these are newly liked brands out there. So this is an addition to brand new products. Talking about addition and subtraction out there, what are these additional points of it, or I can say what are the parameters which are based on the certifications, how we certify them, how we test them. So they are absolutely same. They are exactly the way how brand new products are tested out and how we test out the original products. They are also original out there. If we talk about refurbished products, they are absolutely original products. How we say so? There have been a list of parameters, like we get to check their quality. Quality is checked out on the basis of the external and internal factors. Talking about the internal factors, we can say the internal factors involves the operating system. Yes, the operating system it has inbuilt in it. If it's for Apple, it has to be iOS. It's for Android, then Android operating system. Any other operating system, it has to be checked. The CPU, GPU out there, the infrared ports, the Bluetooth connectivity, hotspot connectivity, WAN connectivity out there. Then you have to be checked that SIM is recognized or not. You have to be very sure about the SIM recognition. You have to be very sure about the internal capacity of that, external storage capacity, internal RAM out there. As well as there is an internal factors which involve the checking of the colorization, data wiping, the LCD screening, the capacitive screening out there, the touch screen. जितने भी internal factors होते हैं, all the internal factors which are involved in it. Then when we talk about the internal factors, they have to be checked very precisely with the processing systems out there, with other gadgets out there. Then we come to the next point, that is the external factors. External factors involves the main outlook, we can say, or the factors which we can see through our eyes. Yes, like we can see if we have a gadget, whether it is a proper size or not, whether it has scratches or not, whether the buttons built in it are working or not, the touch is working or not, the camera quality, video quality, audio quality out there, whether when we do a phone call, whether the calling is going correctly or not. Everything which can be externally seen has to be checked. As well as the battery has to be checked, whether it's taking charging or not. Everything whichever involves all the factors which makes a gadget a proper phone from brand new, like how a brand new phone is tested out on every side. Those tests are also for the refurbished product. When these tests have been done, when we say that these tests can be done and these are verified, then we see them as refurbished or a certified refurbished product. So they are the same out there. Now let us talk about the benefits, because there are few benefits of refurbished products over brand new, and why you can prefer brand new, or we can say why brand new products are quite good for the people who have issue with the highly expensive phones out there. Number one, if we talk about it, is the savings. Savings, one word which says itself. You get up to save a lot of money out there. Yes, when we talk about brand new products, they are slightly expensive out there, whereas the refurbished products are quite less expensive. So there's a difference out there. There is slight difference in their pricing. So they give you a savings. So savings to ho gayi. How about the pricing? How if they differ, whether they're pocketable or not? Yes, they are pocketable rating out there. Yes, when we talk about refurbished products, they are so pocketable. They are absolutely pocketable rates out there. And when we talk about these pocketable rates, these don't just only offers you a good pricing for your favorite gadgets, but a warranty period too. Talking about the warranty period, we have seen that once a phone has been pre-owned, it usually do not get the warranty period. We do not get the warranty of that gadget. We do not get to see the warranty of that gadget. But definitely on the site where it is conditioned out refurbished, and especially in this site which we are talking right now, which I just took you out, offers a 6 months warranty as well as offers you 7-day exchange policy. So these are the two additional benefits of this site. Yes, of this site, especially if I talk about, these are the two additional benefits. 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy can be seen out here. Talking about the site out there, what else do you see on this site? I'm going to take you to the site and we are going to see how other benefits you can have from this site. So I have taken you to the site, and as you all know, the site name is phonezone.ae, which I'm highlighting right now. This is the site name, Phone Zone. As itself, the word says, phone zone. It's a zone of all the phones, or a place, or a location where every kind of gadget could be seen. Talking about this variant, about which we were talking, we had seen that it offers you 6 months warranty and it offers you 7-day exchange policy. Already I told you that. Apart from that, COD and free shipping can be seen on this site. Yes, you can see COD and free shipping also. Apart from this, one additional or one good thing about this site could be said, it offers you 100% original products. Yes, it offers you 100% original products out there. And also, if we talk about this Phone Zone site out there, we can say that this site usually gives a delivery within 48 hours. Yes, in most of the parts of UAE, you get to see delivery within 48 hours. That is free shipping. Whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week, and but the shipping is definitely free out there, as well as you might also see that there are various factors which are involved in the packing and everything. You get to see a perfect packed box with all the documentation and necessary accessories out there, all which have been listed by the company itself. So these are the few important points regarding the site. And if you like to order, you can place the order online or call on the executive helpline, which is in the description box. Link has been given in the description box. All the details have been given for ordering. You can place your order out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.